telling you about my trip to Tulum. Stay tuned. Off to a good start. The villa is stunning. Stunning. Just like look behind me. Look all around me. Home for the next few days. Dinner ready? Let's go.
Of inspiration for our day today. So thank you all so much, and let's go for dinner, let's have fun, and yeah, the night is just beginning.
The main difference between the ranch sauce is made with a lot of jalapeno, so it's slightly spicy, not really. On here we got some. You are using those glasses for the wine, right?
Yes.
I mean, yeah, and it's so tasty. I was just thinking, I'm so glad we're eating early because I'm probably gonna overeat and need time to like.
Yeah, so that's anyway.
Oh, that is so cute. Scarf is from Pade. Oh, this is a phone sleeve. So you could just hold it like this. Oh, that's useful in London where they snatch phones all the time. I'm like, no, you're not taking my phone. Does it connect to your phone as well? Yes. Oh, perfect.
That's how it is. Now it's gonna work. The people who have mocktails gonna try them. Okay,
here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I'll give you the chance to your nose to feel the.
Thank you. Number 2.
You're welcome.
Number 3. What's this? This is number 4.
With the grape.
Number 4. Gracias.
Por nada.
Number 5. First night, 5th shot. Right. One for the team. Number 7. It's a small 7. It's 6 ideally, but I took hers. Yeah. So 6, but.
I'm here with my fellas. Hey.
Thank you so much for being here. So let's do a toast to a wonderful time together. Woo! Shimmy, 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 shimmy.
Fine eyes. 5'9", whatever. 5'9", brown eyes. 5'9", brown about something.
Someone else's camera. I'm so confident.
I think we look so good too. It's day 2 in Tulum. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
I didn't know it was my turn. No,
I thought that was like, who am I?
We're at Vesica Tulum. It's a cenote, which is a natural sinkhole. So Jessica has explained that it's when rocks kind of part ways and like you have a hollow in the middle filled with water, and it has a spiritual connotation in Mexico. But we're gonna say,
Yeah, I'm just here for the food. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm here for the pictures. Abika, what are you here for? For the vibes. We're here to align our content and learn how to make money from our content.
Oh, I mean, that's why
Need I remind you?
But
Here
for
specifically.
this cenote.
Yeah, but we look so good.
And we'll make some content, you know. Yeah. We're learning, we're growing as content creators.
Tell them.
Yeah.
Lauren, say hello.
Can you see me?
Yes, can see you.
Here for the fun, and it's so amazing to meet you in person.
It is.
Orange pineapple.
Oh yeah. No, your makeup is so cute. Thank you. Okay, so we have a beach shoot. I missed the memo. It was white. I have white, but it's supposed to be white dresses. And I do not buy anything new, so I don't have a white dress. But Ufoma is going to see if she can get me a white dress, because this is what I came up with. It's same day. I didn't want to wear white pants, so I just have like a skirt and this like woven bikini top. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see if it's. Yes, let me turn now. I hope you guys can hear me, but we found something. Ufoma gave me a dress, so yeah. Wow.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie, and today I'll be telling you about my trip to Tulum. Stay tuned.
Hi. Today's one of those days where at least we made
Tired.
it. Barely, like literally, Stephanie came out
Naked.
half dressed. Let's give you some credit. And was moisturizing on the bus.
Yes.
Dressing up took like 3 outfit choices, but we made it.
And she looks fab.
She looks incredible as always. Yeah, she even has blush. Me, I'm like my hair. Yeah, but we're here today. We're doing a breakfast in the jungle experience. Yeah. Do we look hungover?
No, I'm just
Okay.
asking. No, I'm just asking.
Does
This
it?
looks like a good party group, right? Yeah.
You have that right?
Low key.
Meli-melo Tulum.
The name of the place is meli-melo, P&B.
Okay.
Meli-melo is a word in French. It means mishmash.
Okay.
And it's a mishmash of my 2 daughters' names. I have 2 teenage daughters whose names are Amelie and Melody. Meli-melo.
I was supposed to be unplugged, but editing, things we do for consistency, but almost done.
There's some really special of Tulum and Mexico.
Oh, this is an avocado.
Yeah, the vegetable part that they will serve with the taco will be like these little green stripes, the super leaf of all leaves. 5, you drink that water as part of your water consumption during the day, every day, It prevents cholesterol, cancer, reinforces the immune system. And then inside the house, they're gonna have the kitchen. Sometimes it's pink or purple and white with black seeds inside.
Oh, thank you.
Now there's more time for shopping. For shopping, there is always time.
Always time for shopping.
No, because they have the.
Hola. Thank you. It's our final night in Tulum, and we have a beachfront dinner.
Like,
The woman of the hour.
Yes.
It's our final night. It's been such an amazing
I
experience.
know. I'm gonna miss you guys so much.
Oh,
we'll miss you too.
Hey, gorgeous.
We're on the beach.
On the beach, looking gorgeous. As always, what's new?
This is when I want my big connection, all the exploration. The best thing you can do for yourself is invest in yourself, and you've done that, and I'm so proud of every single one of you. And I want you to leave here with a fire burning inside. Like, I want you to not just go, oh, this is nice, and then after 1 week, you know, everything fizzles out. I want you to go and feel like I am on assignment. I have to show up every single day and build something, because trust me, the journey is so worth it. I can't tell you how much my life has changed because of the decisions I made 10 years ago. Yeah, the sauce. We did the rooster egg, the breakfast, jungle.
I like Vesica. Yeah, it was very like just relaxing.
I miss Bobrisky. The entertainment was unmatched.
Well, premium. I think he's gone.
Very nice.
He's changed his target audience. No, really, because she was showing us his pictures.
Oh,
No, he's a baddie now.
really?
Like buddy down.
I think he has done
If he did that, I honestly love that for him. That's that's so sweet. I know, because before I'm sure everybody was just sitting down. He was like, thank you, good night. Thank you, see you tomorrow morning. Thank you.
So good seeing you. Finally.
I know.
Yes.
I know it was such a great time. Thank you for pouring into us.
Oh, thank you. Thank you guys so much.
Of course.
Let me bring it right.
I know. It's so nice to meet you. You're such a ball of energy.
Oh, thank you so much. It's lovely meeting you. We need to meet up in London again.
Yes. Our lovely
You're going to take
sister. lovely to meet you.
So
Can't wait to read all your stories and everything you document.
Oh, same, same. Beautiful girl.
Thank you. Melissa, say hello. My accountability partner.
Yes, we'll hold each other accountable.
Yes, we're gonna do amazing things. Yes.
Amen.
And our honorable timekeeper. Honorable timekeeper. Honorable timekeeper.
Yes.
It's like you have 2 minutes.
Yeah,
to be ready.
I'm trying to make sure so like Sashka can get to the
Yes,
airport on
yes.
time.